Don't worry about it. Boom. Okay? Now, follow it up. What are you going to do next? You could do that. What if you hit my arm here, this crook of my arm, and you took an exit that way? You created an exit this way. Boom. Because we're not worried about winning the fight. We're worried about going home, right? So you hit me. Boom. Create the opening this way. I go towards your back, right? Because if I go this way, you're already oriented that way. You just have to decide and act. I go this way. You have to turn around, observe what's going on, orient, decide, and act. I mess up your OODA loop. So I go pop, pop, pop. I make my exit. Versus trying to, and I've hurt you a lot. So let's make it a little bit more realistic. Instead of making the wedge here, let's make the wedge here. Palms open. Hey, I don't want any trouble, mister. That sort of thing. Okay. Boom. Hit. Now what? You could do that. But look, your body's twisted this way. What's your leg primed to do? Boom. Get that kick. Okay?
I'll do this.
Boom. Now, don't get wrapped up in all this. You get that kick. Boom. Make that part of your exit. Right? Yeah, you take the pot shots on your way out.
I don't want to go that way.
You want to go that way? Yeah. Boom. Boom. Stomp my foot. It's right there. Boom. Now go that way. Push me. Now take your exit to my back. Go ahead and hit me. Boom. Pop. Right? If I get to your back this kind of way, and I want to fight, I go here. I go here.
I'm David Sleeper from Mo Sleeper Tactical. Join me as I seek to equip myself and others to fight the good fight and finish the race well through fighting skills, weapon skills, and an unrelenting dedication to truth.